everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can easily log into your KakaoTalk app. But before we start with our video, as usual, to make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, share this video with your friends and family. And yeah, we'll simply just dive into our video. So what you will do is simply just go to your app first, make sure you have it downloaded your app and updated one. So yeah, once you tap into KakaoTalk app, then you will see this particular interface will open up where you can see here you can simply type in your email or phone number that is connected with the creator account that you have. Simply type in that, and here you will simply type in your password. And once you're done with your password, you will simply see this option called login, and then you will, if you tap on that option, then you will simply get logged back into your account. But if you have forgotten your account password or you're adding the wrong one, then you can simply tap on this find Kakao account or password option. If you tap on that option, then you can see I forgot my email or phone number, I forgot my password. You can choose either of the options, or you can choose any of it while you are not being able to log back. Problem fixed, and get logged back into your KakaoTalk app and enjoy the app as usual. And yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Thank you so much for watching our video till the end, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.